Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be teaching you how to collaboratively create a quiz on Quizboot. What does this mean? That is, for example, we're going to set maybe 100 questions for a quiz, maybe for an exam or for a test. Then one person isn't able to set all the whole questions. Maybe there's going to be physics questions, chemistry, biology, maths in that single quiz, and one person won't be able to create every question in that quiz. So you can collaborate with others to create the quiz. And so that's the exact thing I'll put you through in this video. So what's the idea behind this? The main idea behind this is Google Docs, Google Sheets, and all. So Google allows you to collaborate with others to work on a particular file. So we know that we can upload our questions using Excel sheets, using Google Sheets. So we can also collaboratively work with others on that single Google Sheet using Google Docs. All right. So let's get started. Now, the first thing first, you have to log in to your dashboard. You have to log into your account on Quizboot before you can create a quiz. So I'm logged in already, and then the next thing to do is to click create a quiz. So then select type of quiz you want. Public, private, and so for now I'll be creating a public quiz. So once you are done, I can't go to the questions yet because I've not inputted details. So let me just input some short details. Okay, description is optional, instructions, and then also you have to dictate the duration of your test. You have to do duration. Let's see, 2 hours, a pass mark, and on like that. So let's get to the question. So when you click save and continue, it takes you to where to import your questions. So now, instead of adding a question here, you would just go to download templates. So this is a template of the Excel file used to upload questions on Quizboot. Alright, so it's still loading. Now you can see that this template is opened on docs.google.com. So it's a Google document. So, and also it's set to view only, because if it's set to editor, you can just edit and change the whole thing. So you can only view this document. So what you have to do is just make a copy of this document, in your own drive, so that you can use it and also grant others access to it. Let's do that very quickly. So go to file, go to make a copy. So you just name it. For example, let me write UTME mock exam questions. So UTME has a lot of subjects and all. So I'm just using this as an example. So let's press OK. So we have our own copy of the Excel sheet. So how do we now work with others on this same Excel sheet? So if at this point you don't know how to upload the question, you don't know how to upload questions on Quizboot using Excel sheets, I'll leave a link up here where you get a video where I talked about how to upload questions using the Excel spreadsheet. Alright, so having watched that video, let's come back here. Alright, so this is the template of the question. Yeah, so as you can see, this thing is locked. It says private to only me. So how do you now bring others on after setting your own part of the questions, or maybe you want to set it simultaneously? How do you bring others on? So go here, it's saying private to only me. So just click the share, and then it brings you to this page. Said add people, share with people and groups. So add people. Now what you have to do is request the email address of people that I'm working with on this same question, on these same questions. So request their email, and then grant them access. So let me just get my email done. Let me get my email here. Yeah, so once I inputted the email, so this thing pops up: add sharing restrictions, control you can share, download, copy and print this file. So you can also add this restriction. Let's just see. So what editors can do, editors can change permissions to share. Viewers and computers can see the options to download, print and copy. All right, so just you decide what to do. But since you are just maybe few working on it, you have to add them as an editor so that they can edit the document. So see, this is where to add them as editor. Maybe sometimes maybe viewer or commenter. Viewer cannot edit, the commenter cannot edit. So only an editor can edit the document. So okay, you can also decide to notify them. So once you tick this box, is to send them a mail that okay, this particular person has granted you access to this Excel sheet, to this Google Sheets order. So you can type a message here, and you can also decide not to notify them. But for me, I will let's say notify. All right. So after that, just send, and then you are good to go. So the other person at his own end will see my progress here, and also we will to add his own questions. So let's do that. For example, let's test that. So these are my questions. Let me add one more questions. Let me add one more question. Is Excel sheets? Yeah. So like I said, I'll be linking. I'm placing the link up here where you can learn how to upload questions using the Excel sheet. All right, so you have your questions and on like that. So let's just leave it that way and move on. All right, so I have more. You can see I did question number 8. Now let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other part, the other person, the email address that I got access to, and let's see the progress on that side also. So I'll do that very quickly now. You can see who has access. Look at this picture of who has access to the main owner of this document, and then let me switch to the person I invited. Yeah, so you see I have logged into another Google account here. That means this is another person's account, So but I granted him access already. So you can find the link through the mail. I said you should notify them, so you can find the link through the mail, and also shared with me. Go to shared. You can find it on the Google Drive. Shared with me, and can see that UCM mock examination is there already. Just when it clicks, yeah, so it takes the person to the questions you have set before. So let's wait while it loads. So this is a question. So this is my own question. This is an Excel sheet, true or false. So this is my own question on this person's can see this account. So let person add his own question. All right, so let's person add his own question. Maybe person starts from number 20. Maybe person starts from number 20. So this person's part to start from number 20 or 21. So let's see, what is an animal? So you can add options here. So what type of question it is? Yeah, what is it? So let's say it's an essay question. So essay question, and then and on like that. So let's just say okay. Let's say okay. See, all changes are saved. Yeah. So I think all the changes are saved now. That's edited 4 seconds ago. So the changes for this one are saved. So once on my own personal drive, on my personal parts also, you can see this is my own part of the question. So let's see number 20. You can see it's there already. So it shows that Bola, you see, it shows that this person is working on it, and I'm also working on it. So let's see. This person is working on it, and I'm also working on it. So I see the details of the person working on it. Alright. So you can also drop some notes. You can drop some notes while working on it. Maybe you have some questions to make. Can have a chat box here, and you are good to go. So after the whole thing, just the file, download your file. Let's see, download your file. So it must be in XLSX. Is very important. XLSX. So download this file after everyone has compiled their own questions. So you can share with multiple people. Just keep typing your questions and be reflecting on the same Google Sheet. So then go to your Quizboot account. So instead of adding questions, just import from spreadsheet. So I'm going to just import from the spreadsheet. You see me mark assumption, and we're good to go. So you can see it gives all the questions back. It gives all the questions. Back. Number 1. This. So let's number 20. Let's see if we can get number 20 here. Okay, I think it has to be. See, okay, what's an animal? It automatically goes to number 9 because of the space in between. So that's how to collaborate with others in creating a quiz on Quizboot. So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section and your question will be answered. So the next thing to do, just publish a quiz and you're good to go. All right, thank you.